Isaiah chapter 35. The wilderness and the solitary place shall be glad for them, and the desert shall rejoice and blossom as the rose. It shall blossom abundantly and rejoice even with joy and singing. The glory of Lebanon with joy shall be given unto it, the excellency of Carmel and Sharon. They shall see the glory of the Lord and the excellency of our God. Strengthen ye the weak hands and confirm the feeble knees. Say to them that are of a fearful heart, be strong, fear not. Behold, your God will come with vengeance, even God with a recompense. He will come and save you. Then the eyes of the blind shall be opened, and the ears of the deaf shall be unstopped. Then shall the lame man leap as an hart, and the tongue of the dumb sing. For in the wilderness shall waters break out of the streams in the desert, and the parched grounds shall become a pool, and the thirsty land springs of water. And the inhabitants of the dragons, where each lay, shall be grass with reeds and rushes, and an highway shall be there, and the way clean shall not pass over it. But it shall be for those, the wayfaring men, true fools shall not err therein. No lion shall be there, nor any verbose beast shall go up thereon. It shall not be found there, but the redeemed shall walk there, and the ransomed of the Lord shall return, and come to Zion with songs, everlasting joy upon their heads. They shall obtain joy and gladness, and sorrow and sighing shall flee away.